Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create stickers in Canva. It's super easy and you don't need any complicated tools or software to do it. Just follow these steps and you'll have your own custom stickers ready in no time. So first, go ahead and open Canva. Once you're inside, click on Create a Design and then set a custom size. For stickers, I like to use 100 by 100 pixels. That's a nice square size and works great for sticker designs. Now Canva will open up a blank canvas for you to start working on. Next, let's design the sticker. Head over to the Elements tab and here you can choose from thousands of graphics, illustrations, and icons. You can pick one element if you want something simple, or you can even combine two or more elements together to create something unique and fun. Just drag them onto the canvas and arrange them the way you like. Now, to make it look more like a real sticker, let's add some text. Click on Text, type out whatever you want, maybe your name, a phrase, or something creative, and then play around with the fonts. Canva also gives you some cool text effects, so go ahead and add shadows, outlines, or neon glow to really make it pop. Once you're happy with your design, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.